What's up, CT crew?
It's your boy Chris.
And it's your girl T.
And today we are back with another
Video.
Oh. I was going to say Mukbang. We're back with another video and another Mukbang today. And as y'all can see,
once again, it is WINGSTOP. But today, as y'all can tell by the title, we're trying WINGSTOP's new and improved, not new and improved, just new, period.
Yeah.
Chicken sandwich.
And I know y'all heard about them too.
Mm-hmm. We all done tried the...
First it was Chick-fil-A.
Yeah.
Then it was Popeyes.
Yeah. Did KFC make one?
Yeah. But Cane's pretty good.
Cane's got one? I ain't even tried yours yet.
But anyway, now we finna try WINGSTOP. Go ahead and cut that nice quick. Now for what I heard the lemon pepper.
Banger?
The lemon pepper and the buffalo. Bang. So we got buffalo.
I feel like I'm opening up a present on Christmas. We got a few favors for y'all.
Indeed.
Have to get the ranch.
And they put hella sauce in there.
Alright, let me let y'all get a close-up, okay? Alright, so this one right here, this is the mango habanero.
Mango habanero.
Look under that bun. Mango habanero chicken sandwich. Right here is the buffalo.
Next one is lemon pepper.
Am I getting it?
Yeah. Okay. And this one
is the Cajun. So, y'all, we are about to dig in.
Alright.
Let's pick up pepperoxes.
I ain't gonna lie. As far as look-wise, you know, the bun.
It's looking.
The bun is
it's bunning.
Buttery and juicy. Bun could be a little bit bunnier. No, it's funny. I know you gotta do it on TikTok though.
No.
What? The fries could have been a little frier.
No.
The ranch could have been a little more ranchier. I'm just saying.
Anyway, let's get two each because he likes to steal sauce.
She ain't gonna use it all anyway.
I get two.
Alright, so
Eat the fries. Put them in the middle. Thank you.
we're starting off first. How we gonna
Let's
do it?
paper, rock, scissors. Okay, I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna paper, rock, scissors, and then whoever wins the paper, rock, scissors, loses the paper, rock, scissors, I'm gonna move them around and you pick. You feel me?
Yeah.
All right, ready? Paper, rock, scissors, shoot. Paper, rock, scissors, shoot.
You lost.
Let me know when you're ready.
Go ahead. Go ahead. That's the one you got. That's the Cajun. Shoot, I should try it first since I won, but go ahead.
Okay. Okay, y'all. I'm scared. Okay. It's supposed to be Cajun. Okay.
That looks too good. My turn.
Yeah, it's busting. I ain't gonna lie. 10 out of 10. What are you taking it from me for? Yeah, it's good.
I'm impressed.
Took my whole ranch.
I'm impressed.
No, for real. It's delicious.
Oh yeah, we finna have fun with this one.
No, for
That
real.
was good.
That one.
That one with the
Cajun.
The Cajun, it got the seasoning is on there.
Cajun, it's like
And that
it's like a blend of lemon pepper and buffalo and like Cajun seasoning. Like it's yeah.
That thing juicy.
It's good. The chicken.
Like, it's not dry at all.
Yeah. It's not giving. I like Popeyes, but sometimes Popeyes chicken was
but
like
yeah, that's juicy. It tastes like a wing. It tastes like a boneless wing.
But better.
In a bun.
Thicker chicken.
Yeah.
Like, all right. Your turn.
All right, let me go.
All right, close your eyes.
All right. I'm really looking forward to that lemon pepper, I ain't gonna lie. That's my favorite. You gotta have a lemon pepper if you get it.
All right, close your eyes and pick.
I ain't gonna lie, I opened my eyes a little bit.
He got the lemon pepper, y'all. He cheated.
Y'all, it's my favorite one. Let's see what it's talking about.
All right. You need the sauce here, right for him.
There's one open right here. I'm gonna get it down.
I'm saying to dip in the chicken in. Keep it in. Just keep it in there. I'm gonna just put them in the burger.
Lemon pepper, y'all. That's it. Pickles in there. Let's see what they're talking about.
Don't be dripping too much. He get on my nerves and he's a smacker. All right, you got your bite. My turn.
All right, WINGSTOP doing their thing with this one.
Hold on.
It's crispy. It's a real good bite right there. But I'm just smacking. Look at that. The thing good. I'm finna eat everything. We ain't leaving no leftovers. What's you thinking? What's going through your head right now?
What's going through my head? Man, I want another bite.
WINGSTOP. Yeah, you doing your thing with this one.
Yeah.
Popeye, I might have to leave Popeyes alone.
I'm sorry, Popeyes and Chick-fil-A. I ain't got nothing on WINGSTOP.
Bro, and after I seen this going on in the shade room, I sent it to her, I was like, I don't think these gonna hit for real.
Man, what? Underestimated.
Hard.
Everybody go to WINGSTOP right now and get you one. It don't matter what flavor, all flavors busting right now.
We got 4 flavors, but from these 4 flavors, I'm not even...
2 so far. From the 2 that we have so far.
You're right.
Left, we got mango, habanero.
And buffalo.
Yeah. Let's see what they about, because I'm already impressed. So,
first one was juicy, seasoning was there. The lemon pepper, crispy. Not dry, it was moist still. Highly suggested, for real.
No, for real. I can't even speak. Like, I'm speechless. Like, it's...
All right, close your eyes.
All right.
No, I'm saying.
It's only 2 left. We might as well paper, rock, scissors for one. I want habanero. Paper, rock, scissors. We gonna both taste them anyway. Ready?
Damn, I want a habanero.
I know you did.
All right.
All right. Who gonna take a bite first? You need to go?
Yeah, go ahead. Because I want to buy the mango habanero.
You gonna take? We go at the same time and then swap. Ooh, excuse me.
Buffalo. Look at that. See what I mean? Look at that sauce. Just you see how they
mango habanero. Yes, sir. Let's get into it.
I don't even like buffalo, but I see what they're doing with it.
I'll get another bite.
Go ahead. What, you ain't messing with it?
No, that's not what I'm saying.
Oh. It's the opposite.
This might be my favorite one.
For real? That Louisiana rub, I like that one.
Me too. They're all good. Lemon pepper on a regular day, you know.
Yeah.
Louisiana rub, When I'm trying to,
Yeah.
mango habanero, that's an addiction right there.
Let me see.
I'm telling you.
Good dip.
Bruh. Oh, man. Just let it sit there and keep eating it. You feel what I'm saying? You not messing with it like me? That's my favorite one. I'm gonna let you. All right, I'll let you. Let me try this buffalo, y'all. Favorite?
This one, yeah.
It's the sweetness of the hot.
Yeah, like the sweetness and the crunch.
Yes. It's just like magical. It's like, y'all know that that movie Ratatouille when he put the strawberry and the cheese together?
And something new was created.
That's how my taste buds feel with that mango habanero. But I'm gonna taste the buffalo. Buffalo, you alright. Hold on.
The buffalo juicy.
It's as expected.
Yeah.
It's good. Give me another bite of that mango habanero.
Mango habanero.
That's my favorite one. 10 out of 10.
Mango habanero.
Everybody else get a 9. Mango habanero.
Yeah. I say mango habanero first.
Cajun.
I just love lemon pepper though.
You like lemon pepper?
Yeah.
I feel like it was regular though. Like it was bussin', but I feel like Cajun was a little.
I never even had Cajun. Yeah, mango habanero, Cajun, lemon pepper, buffalo.
And that's just from what we got today. Y'all know they got plenty of other flavors. Like I wonder how the freaking garlic parmesan is gonna taste like.
I might have the same
lemon pepper. You know?
What about that barbecue?
That might be busted.
Oh
That's gonna taste like some.
Yeah.
But y'all, this
y'all. No exaggeration, like.
These are 10 out of 10. We keep it real. We ain't finna lie to y'all. We'd be like, ugh, if it was really nasty.
WINGSTOP did their thing.
They did their thing. Like, this is better than Chick-fil-A. I love Chick-fil-A. He know how much I love Chick-fil-A. He be getting on me about how much I love Chick-fil-A. But this here is topping him.
We ain't finna leave nothing behind either.
Yo. I'm in love with the mango habanero.
I got that Minute Maid mixed with that strawberry pan. You already know me.
He always mixes stuff.
Y'all go get y'all wings. Y'all chicken sandwiches, I mean.
Yeah. WINGSTOP. Y'all did that. This video is not sponsored, y'all. So ain't no cap. Alright?
Make sure y'all get that ranch too.
Yeah. Dip in the burger and the ranch just tops it off.
Come on now.
What?
She can eat the whole thing without me.
Bro. That's my favorite one.
I'm trying that lemon pepper.
Alright.
Oh yeah.
We told somebody we got 4 sandwiches. We not gonna eat all this.
I'm trying to though. It ain't going away, so I'm gonna save it for later.
What?
If I gotta put it in that microwave.
No, what I'm saying is, we told somebody we was gonna share. I don't know.
Oh, nah. Ain't no sharing, I'm sorry.
Y'all. Alright, well. I guess that's the end of the video. We finna finish chopping this stuff up. WINGSTOP, once again, you did your thing. Y'all did y'all stuff. 10 out of 10. Overall, across the board, 10 out of 10, for real. I wouldn't have been mad getting any one of the flavors.
Nah. Y'all go get y'all chicken sandwich from WINGSTOP. If y'all do, or if y'all already tried them, let us know in the comments down below if y'all liked it or not.
Alright, y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment,
and subscribe. We appreciate y'all for watching. More content coming soon. Thank you for rocking with us.
and hit that notification bell.
Every time we post. Every time we post. Oh, wow! Shake back, TT. Y'all, she full.